Yeah, so you guys can see we have updated all the things, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So you guys have to consider this website for the backlink creation process. Hello guys, my name is Pravi Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the two high quality do follow backlink providing website. So where we can going to create a profile backlink firstly, and after that we can explore if those website can providing other backlink activities. So we can also going to do these things on this website, this video. Okay, so I can each of the website I can show you authority and the spam score. So you guys can see the first website having a 91 domain authority and the spam score is 2%. And I can show you also the second website how much having. So you guys can see the second website are having around 58 domain authority and the spam score is 1%. So I guess you guys have to consider all uh, those website for the backlink creation purpose. So I can show you authority of each traffic of each website, how much traffic they are having. So the first one are having 16.1 billion. Okay, it's a good for us. And also I can show you the second website are how much having. So second website are having 23.5k total visitors. So we can start for the backlink creation process. So there is an option to you guys have to click um, right side of top of the right side section, and where you guys can found there you guys have to click the create a new account, and there you guys can add your email ID. Okay, let me copy it through the confirm email ID. Then you guys have to choose your password, username, clean recruiters, and date of birth. Okay, we can also fill these things. And after the profile creation, this website can send you a verification code over your Gmail ID. So you guys can found, yeah, we have received the verification OTP. Okay, and then you guys have to click for the create account button. Yeah, so you guys can see that we have successfully created our profile on that website. Username is this, new player, go to site, account management. Yeah, so there is a multiple option, so you guys have to link, continue. Okay, let me check. Ubisoft web author. security, privacy setting, transaction history, communication. uh, Sorry, these websites are not providing a backlink right now, but we have created a couple of while ago, so I don't know what is exactly matter. The password, we have picked one, the password, and then we can verify the captcha. Then we can click for the sign up button. I guess this is our profile, and we can going to upload a photo, banner image we have uploaded, and the professional information, null expertise, experience, headline. For the headline section, you guys have to, I can go to add best best recruiters in Canada. This is my website tagline headline, and I can going to add a, a little bit short description for this. So I can going to copy throughout my website. Okay, so there is option about section we have added, and then we can click for the save, edit, Glen recruiters we have clicked, and submit inquiry we can do experience. Yeah, so there is a link option to, you guys have to add your website URL. You guys can see LinkedIn we can going to add. Yeah, we also have a LinkedIn page for this website, and Twitter we don't, but we have Instagram. We can going to copy and we can add, we can change Instagram. And for the website we have to copy over there, and then we can click for the save button, article and the publication URL, title, image, and the expert. Okay, we can going to add something. There is option to, we can explore those things. What kind of activities is this, and we can add what we can add. Yeah, and the expert we can add some sort description for this URL, and we'll check what's outcome exactly. A file size need to be less than 1 MB. Okay. First name and the last name is this, Klein Recruiters, and this is my profile URL, you guys can see, and I can show you in a incognito tab. It's 100% approved backlink or not. This profile is private, so we can going to view profile, privacy, So as a public, yeah, we have changed phone number is required. So there is they can asking us as for the we can update a phone number. Yeah, so everything we have phone number is required. Recently we have added na view profile also. Yeah, so you guys can see we have updated all the things, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So you guys have to consider this website for the backlink creation process. And for the first one, I for the some time, I think 1.5 years ago, I have created my profile on that website. So that's why this website are having in my um, backlink list. So that's why I was decided I can share with you. But unfortunately, this website having updated, so they have removed the feature for the profile creation, profile service providing. So you guys have to ignore this website, and you guys can create your profile backlink on that website. Okay, a new project. Yeah, there is option for the new project. We can add create a inquiry. Okay, let me check. Can they are provide? Can we create bookmark or not? Create, we can going to click yes. Do you have a budget survey? Okay, new inquiry. Oh, they have created a URL for this thing. Yeah, so you guys can see we have updated all the things, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So you guys have to consider this website for the backlink creation process. New inquiry and edit inquiry. Yeah, you guys have to raise any kind of inquiry, and you guys can explore those things. I'm not sure what is this exactly. So we have completed our profile creation process. So you guys have to if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And for the last, I wanted to request you with a one thing. If you guys can want to connect with me personally, and if I am doing something better, or if I'm adding something valuable or something provide information, then you guys have to hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you guys. I hope you guys can understand what little bit things I'm wanting from your side. So okay guys, I hope you guys can help me something. Okay guys, so bye bye, take care.